Yeah, well, my people, I'm here again. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. You see? Alright, so I have two videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright? Now, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when law enforcers went to a house or at a premises. And in my point of view, those law enforcers went to the house or the premises based on information that they got. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the premises or the house is located at. You see what I say? I don't even know when the video will be recorded. And in my point of view, law enforcers, we can see in the video, somewhat searched inside of the house based on some words that at least one person said in the video. I got the understanding that the person somewhat talked about or explained about some form of disagreement between that person and at least one other person, which makes me assume that there was some type of bad living between a certain amount of persons. You see, let's take a look at this video and see if we can get a good understanding of the situation. And please bear in mind that I can hear at least one person not only talking in the video, but somewhat breathing heavy in the video. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Now go to just winning. It's all. Is the voice now? Intelligence about what? Now make sure video. This is the second time y'all do this to me. Night before the last, and last night, we can hardly talk. And make sure I bid you. Why these people doing this to me life? What's my bedroom there?
No, just no man.
This is my bedroom.
This is your bedroom.
And he bedroom, both of us.
This is my wife. Watch out the picture. This is my wife and the wall picture is my wife. Alright. Come and sit there.
Yeah, check.
You observe it? Right? Yeah, no problem.
Open everything.
Man.
No, why people doing now? Pull them out. Throw them out. Pull out everything. Pull out all them churn thing. So what story is this? Them people, this is something else. This girl over here. No. Take out everything. Take out everything. Take down, pull out. Take down the rest of the thing on the table. Me bed, me clean up your house today. Move them churn ties. Pull out them churn ties some down there. What story is this?
You want to check it out?
You gotta tell me, you give me work, I put it on the news. I'm a sickly woman.
Alright, ma'am.
I'm a sickly woman. No, I'm not a sickly woman. Me just need to surgery. Me can't even stand. Me can't even talk properly. No, me can't even talk properly. No, you get my heart rate. I'm beat. My heart rate. This is wrong. You can't be a Christian and end up people that do me them things me say. No, me this goes go hospital. Take out razor, make a paint in the thing. Raise them down. And paint. Raise up the next one.
Me? Slash it.
You cut and me.
He's a weirdo man.
Oh.
Leave me motion too.
Take out them. Open everything. You want the blind them. Open too. Want the blind. No.
Humble man.
Man, people can't doing them things to me.
Watch it.
Man. When the diamonds do that shit on it.
You want into the front room?
Go right round. Go in all the cupboard. Just go downstairs. Open the rest.
Let me flash in there.
Just now. No, that's too speed, right?
No, me never act to speak. I got one thing for 7 y'all finish, right?
I need to, somebody need to do something for
I
me.
want to know
Why
why
you
y'all
going to
looking
do
for
this?
when y'all
Anything
finish.
deemed illegal within the state of guns, drugs, and
Well, I don't even,
right.
I tell you from my heart, what?
You don't know.
Well, here one,
No,
from
man.
me, and the body will do this to me today. I tell you from my heart,
Nigga.
they will never, ever.
John, stop.
Listen, why?
I'm tired.
I tell you, God,
I got taking every minute of a week. Me go hospital. Me can't breathe.
I don't deal with you.
Coming in there.
You sure we're going to be with
I see this girl overdo it just because I
Oh,
put
you
a
should do it
camera.
anyway.
A camera down
Police went there, but
there. He
we have
ain't
to go back
shaking
and
around.
more than
You went there before. What happened?
Because he
This
ain't
share clothes.
she the quarry.
She kill me foul.
The two of
She
them
try
the
to kill me foul.
problem.
And me mother call me away from the neighborhood. The same time when the police coming. I was
Take
not.
out the clothes.
No. Check on the dancing way now, son.
Watch it.
You ain't got nothing underneath there.
Watch. This all me got the clothes in me, right?
No, people can't. They're doing this for me.
This watch it. You want to check on the kid?
Tired of this neighborhood. With a lioness. I'm tired of them. I'm tired of them. This is not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair what people doing to me. No, that's me gambling. Every time they got hand up, I ask this time. This is wickedness. This is wicked. This is wicked. This is wicked. No, me not take them. Me a question, me a hospital. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. This is not nice. There's a little talking. There's a little talking. And then they're doing
Person a better big
for make a try. I walk for what I want in there and I bring it. Me not make joke with police. German.
This girl go to complain. Look, you just sit down right there. Already make a fun in the station. Damien, she brother get problem on the road. Now you listen to me. Damien, she brother get problem in them. You listen to me. A little fat by name Friday and just out there. She run out, she lash me, class me neck, and lash me back. The story can't get done. I don't know how come she shouldn't end up killing me foul now. So you gotta ask her the part. Me don't know any shit. Me done with her, but I wanna know who tell me this money. No, me why this?
And we thought, anyways, we apologize.
Alright, my people, so you hear some words that a person say in another video there. In my point of view, it's like the person that try to find out something or certain things. Yes, what I say, and in my point of view, that person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talk about some form of disagreement between that person and at least one other person. You see? Overall, I think that some form of bad living happen. You see? And you see, sometimes, law enforcers do them work based on information they get or intelligence that they gather. But sometimes they have some people who will give law enforcers or police wrong information, probably for spite or probably for a certain reason or reasons. You see what I'm saying, people? And then again, you have some people who will give law enforcers correct information as well too. So all different type of ways, I think, But the situation there set away, and you can hear somebody breathe heavy in the video. That doesn't sound safe. You see what I'm saying? You see? So let me know what to think about that situation, people. You see? Yeah. Let me know what to think about that situation. You see? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, and this video had been recorded in Jamaica. Now the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when police officers from within the country of Jamaica put handcuffs on at least 2 persons. Now the reason why I said at least 2 persons is because I didn't totally watch the entire video of your subscribers. So I don't know exactly what happened throughout the entire video. I'm going to be watching the video while I'm doing this video itself. You see me I say? And in my point of view, police somewhat searched inside of a motor vehicle that I can see in the video viewers and subscribers, and I don't have any confirmed information as to why those persons have been approached by police from within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, you can see a certain amount of police officers, and in my point of view, they were working together. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. I want you to look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this situation with people. Observe.
Yo, move now. Yo, come in and warn them, brother. Yo. What Indian? Where you go? There, man, outside. You there, man?
Now, that video has been talked about on social media for quite a number of reasons. You see what I say? And in my point of view, some comments gave me to understand that some persons jump to conclusion and me not see no confirm information as to why they have been approached by police. That's in my point of view. So I say, now some of the comments them basically some comments gave me to understand that some people with what police are do, some people against what police are do. But without confirm information. It's just best to just look and observe as some see it. You see what I say? Yes, so I'm sure the video because the video has been talked about on social media. Let me know what you think about all these videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And I think I have some gonna left it now. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.